In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to your Wix website right from your mobile device. This process is perfect for business owners on the go or anyone who works from their phone to manage their website more efficiently. Let's begin by ensuring you have everything you need to get started. Start by heading over to either the Google Play Store for Android users or the Apple App Store if you're using an iPhone. Once there, search for the official Wix app and hit install. After the installation is complete, open up the app and log in using your Wix account credentials. This will give you access to all the features you need to manage your site directly from your mobile device. Now, once logged into the app, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, select the website you wish to manage. Look for the option labeled Site Actions, and then tap on Manage Site or Store to dive into the store management features. This will allow you to access all the e-commerce functionalities you'll need. Moving forward, we want to access your current products. Tap on Store Products to see a list of what you're currently offering. To add a new product, simply tap on the plus Add Product button. This will bring you to a blank product form where you can start adding all necessary details. Begin by entering the product name. Follow this with the price and a detailed description of the product. If applicable, you can also assign a category to help organize your offerings. Although this step is optional, to give your customers a clear visual of what they're getting, upload product images directly from your mobile gallery. Make sure these images are high quality to portray your product in the best light. Additionally, if your product has different sizes, colors, or other variations, add these under inventory or stock details. It's crucial to keep this information up to date to avoid any confusion or selling out of unavailable items. Next, let's configure the shipping and options. Tap on Shipping and Tax to set your shipping rules. This is also where you can enable or disable other options like taxes, digital product sales, or any specific product options tailored to your business needs. Once you're done entering all the relevant details, it's time to save and publish your product. Tap Save if you want to keep it as a draft and review it later, or hit Publish to make your product immediately available to your customers on your live site. Remember, the Wix mobile app also allows you to edit, remove, or update products at any time. It's a great tool for keeping track of inventory, viewing orders, and managing sales on the go, ensuring that your business runs smoothly no matter where you are. With these steps, you're now ready to expand your product lineup efficiently using just your mobile device.